Hello, first graders. Welcome to our Monday morning meeting. I know we won't have class today, but I did want to just record our session so that you could still have all of the fun things we were going to go over. So again, happy Monday, and let's get started. First thing is, when we come to our Monday morning meeting, we will say our Pledge of Allegiance. So you may stand and say the Pledge of Allegiance with me. So here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Very good. All right. Now what we will do today is we will discuss our birthdays. So on your screen here, you can see that we have a couple of birthdays this week. We have Jackson and Laker. So we will be excited to tell them happy birthday. Every week when we do our Monday meeting, we will be saying whose birthday it is for that specific week. So great job. All right. Another thing that we are going to do right now is move on into our calendar. So today is the final day of August. So that means after August, we're going to be moving into September. So if you can look and find the last day on the calendar, very good. I hope you found it down here, August 31st. Let's remember, if we can, singing our days of the week and our months of the year. So we'll start with the months of the year. So here we go. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Good job. Let's try our days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So today's Monday. It is the 31st of August. Our next month is going to be September, and here you can see it. So here's today. Tomorrow will be September 1st. So as you guys are doing your work at home, I would encourage you to start writing your name and your date on your paper. This will help you to remember and start being able to spell those dates, those days of the week, the months of the year. It is very helpful. So practice doing that, okay? All right, another thing that we would have done today is to talk about what doesn't belong. So I want you to take a good quick look at this on your screen. There are 4 letters here. There's no right or wrong answer when we do these. But what I want you to do is be able to think about what doesn't belong here. Which of these letters? And then I want you to be able to explain why. So if you think one of these letters does not belong, I want you to be able to tell Mrs. Tinsley why it doesn't belong. Okay? So think. And I'm going to ask for you to share that idea with somebody at home. Okay, so share that reason why you think one of these letters doesn't belong. And I'm going to share some reasons that maybe you came up with. Someone might have said that this letter C doesn't belong because it is a rounded letter. All of the other letters are straight. Someone might have said that the letter F doesn't belong because it only has 2 of these going side to side. This one has 3. This one has 1. You could have said the same about the H or the E. Some of you might have said the E doesn't belong because it is a vowel and the other 3 are not. There are lots of things that you could have said about these letters. So if you said something else and you were able to justify your reason, then you are right. So great job. Another thing that we would have done today when we came to class would have been our 7 traits. Remember, every month we're going to be working on our 7 traits. This month we were talking about everything is possible in August. Since we're kind of on the edge of September, today we're going to move into Passion First. Passion First talks about using your interests, doing things that you enjoy, putting those things first, okay? Doing what you love. So, Passion First is to, I don't know why it keeps doing that. Passion First is to pursue your authentic talents, your deepest interests, things that you enjoy. So I want you to think about this month. What was something that you enjoy? What is something that you love? And then I want you to think about that, because the next time that we have our Monday meeting, we will do more about that. Okay? So what do you love? What is true to yourself? All right, think about that for our 7 traits. Next, Mrs. Tinsley goes over our reminders during our session. So please make sure that you log in and you take a look at our Weebly site. But there are lots of things that are on there, so I'll go over a few of them. You'll see our September calendar. It's going to tell you that our work samples are due this month. They are due on the 15th. And our interim assignments for Raz Kids, those won't be assigned until the 23rd of September and due on the 2nd. Okay? So please double check your work sample packets that you receive. There will be information in there about that. You'll want to make sure that you get those submitted before that due date. Okay? Another thing that I want to go over is our overdue assignments. There are so many lately, and I really want to encourage you guys to get those completed, because if they're not going to receive credit. So not mastered lessons also do not receive credit. So when you go into your online school, you're going to see a not mastered section once you click on the progress and the subject. So this student, you can see, has 2 not mastered lessons. They scored below an 80% on their assessment. In order to have those show progress, you need to complete those or redo them with an 80% or more. Okay? You can see the lighter color here shows that it's not mastered. So I would double check your coursework. Make sure that you've mastered those lessons. If not, spend some time to complete those over the next couple of days or weeks. Next, I want to make sure that you guys are aware of what is going on this week. So on this Monday, today, August 31st, you guys are going to have an adjustment to this math lesson. This math lesson would have appeared on Friday, and all of these other lessons here are going to be skipped. If you choose to complete those lessons, you are more than welcome to complete those lessons. Okay? The reason that we are doing our skipping is because this is a day for you to use to get caught up. So we want you to go back to any of those overdues, go into those lessons that you haven't mastered, get those completed, get those mastered. So use this day to get caught up. I have several different ideas for you to do that this week. Okay, so here on August 31st, some different things that you can do using this day as a catch-up day. We still want you to add 4 hours of attendance, so here are some ideas. You can do deer reading. I'm sure maybe you remember this from Learning Coaches when you were a kid. Drop everything and read. So go to Big Universe, go to the online school quick links, and you'll find the Big Universe. If you have your Raz Kids login information, you can go in there. Some of you might not have that yet, so that's okay. Use those fluency passages that we've emailed to you on Friday to practice your reading. Build a fort. Be creative. Have fun. Go in there and practice reading in the fort. Take a picture and send it to your teacher. We would love, love, love to see how much fun you're having. There's going to be a scavenger hunt, so we attached to an email this week on Monday. You could go in there and have that fun scavenger hunt, use that as PE attendance. Practice your math facts. There's a fun link that you can go to, and this is emailed. You could bake something with your learning coach and use that measuring, maybe double the recipe, maybe half the recipe. That would be great for math and science. Go swim, spend some time doing PE. There's awesome YouTube videos for PE and exercise that you could do. Even go noodle. Science experiments, there are so many. Go into Pinterest and you could find a ton. Write a letter to me. Let me know what you did for the day. I'm excited to kind of see what you guys did, how you got caught up. Practice typing. Our students need to know how to type. So get their keyboard out, go to this typing club. It is so much fun. I think they would enjoy that. Go to our resource page on our Weebly site. There are tons of videos and great things for you to get caught up on or to review or to get ahead on in there. And then just go back and review anything so far that we've covered that you might need to review. These are some great ways for you to get caught up, okay? You will have this information in your pathways. And so this weekend on your pathways, please make sure you're looking at those videos that are included for math and reading and writing. Please make sure that if you do need extra help that you're following these objects here, these little boxes in red. If you're doing well, you can go ahead and do these boxes in green. So I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful week. And remember that I would love to see you guys in our sessions on the rest of the week, Tuesday through Friday at 9 o'clock. And continue to keep up your best work. Remember, doing that daily plan is very important. Watching those videos is going to be helpful. Choose that path for success. If you're doing well, if you're needing some extra support, make sure you're staying up with that attendance and that you continue to check your email each day from me. We're finishing up Dibbles this week, so if you have not seen or spoken with me to do Dibbles, we will complete those this week, so be on the lookout for that email. Otherwise, the majority of you finished it last week. So thank you guys so very much for all of your hard work. You're doing an amazing job, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of your week. Have a great day. Bye-bye.